na Daily Tribute Innovate.
Ito namin yung inyong mga
Going further, the main program focusing to address at least one sustainable development goal to help Filipino SMEs.
We continue to create an ecosystem that will allow you to
isa-isa kasi po magkakaroon tayo ng class picture.
We all have something more than what we can do. So,
Pag kayo po lahat ay naging multi-millionaire, pag naging negosyante, makita mo kami sa ating bansa. Dahil
so dapat po wala po tayo. Major din, meron tayong picture po ng negosyo natin. Kasama
Also naman ang Mexico na makakalago pa po
Okay, ilang tanong ni Ma'am about the housing program ng Cebu City Community Cooperative.
Next, para po natin